Hey everybody, thanks for taking a look at the YouTube channel today. So this is a sort of hypothetical trade idea. There's already a position on. It's up maybe 60, close to it. It's going to be up $100 here in a minute, I believe. And we're basically watching the market rally right after the open. So lately we've been seeing these big flushes lower right on the open. The idea here was to take a counter trend trade. The market got almost to that lower MPD line, which is this lower red line down here that is jagged and following the market as it went down. And then we saw a rally right on the open. So the idea was to take a position, put a reasonable stop in. Okay, so in this case, I have the stop around 32.33, which in my opinion, right on the open is a pretty decent amount of risk. And you're seeing the stop actually trail. So this is a server managed trailing stop, which means I don't even have to be logged into the platform. It's just managing on its own. It's great. And in this case, I am watching it. We're watching the market rally a little bit. I was going to put a target in, but I was hoping that we'd get sort of a rip through this low volume area. As you can see on the volume profile on the right side, sometimes you'll see the market just kind of slide through those low value volume areas and continue to move in their original direction. So that would be an ideal scenario here. I'm not sure if that's actually what's going to play out in this case, but what I want to highlight is the ease of use of the program. It is super easy to use this software on any device. Again, I said I use it on an iPhone 8. Everything is server managed, so if you want to do a bracket order or you want to do a trailing stop, you don't have to worry about staying connected for any orders that you place through AT charts as long as you've got them set up properly. And I've got the full chart up here. I can see the volume profile. I've got my previous day's high and low open. I can see the point of control for the day. I can see the value area. I can see my MPD lines. I have the capability to enter market orders, limit orders, stop orders. In fact, what I'm going to do here is actually modify the stop a little bit higher, just because since we did get a little bit of a move, I'd like to make sure that I don't necessarily let this trade turn into a loser. I'd like to protect a little bit of something, maybe a tick or a few ticks or a point, but I still want to give it a little room to breathe. I'm not afraid to let this thing go back to even and even stop us out, for no gain, for the opportunity, in return to catch something that really, really runs. So, we'll kind of see how things play out here, over the next couple of minutes. But if you are, using AT charts currently on your desktop, don't hesitate to try this on your phone. It's really, really easy to set up. If you're a demo user, you can access this as well. If you're exploring the idea of trading futures and you don't have 24/7 to sit in front of the computer, but you still want to be able to participate, this would be a really great way for you to do that. So we hope you enjoy it. Please contact us if you have questions. Don't forget to tell your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further updates. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.